Hello, I'm Jevizo. This is a G-Double computer tutorials where we learn different computer programming languages and basics, tricks, and techniques that can help us to master or become the professional in coding programming languages. So as you see, we are going to take a quiz. It's all about web programming languages. If we say web programming languages, we understand HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So without delaying, let's get started. All right, yeah, as we have 5 questions and each question has 4 options because it's all about multiple choice questions, right? So if you need to take more than 15 seconds, you need to pause video and then answer before resuming a video, right? Yeah, now let us start with question number 1. Now, question number 1, which is language is used for styling web page? First one, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. Choose a correct one. As you see, the language which is used for styling web page is CSS. Let us go on next one. Which language is used to add interactivity to web page? Here we have HTML, C++, JavaScript, and SQL. The correct one is now JavaScript. Let us jump on the next one. Which language is not web programming? First one is C++, second one HTML, third one JavaScript, and fourth one PHP. Choose the correct one. As you see, the correct answer is C++. Now, what does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language, Home Tool Markup Language, Hyperlink and Text Markup Language, High-Level Text Markup Language. As you see, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So let us jump on the last one. What does CSS stand for? We have Cascading Stereo Sheet, Creative Stereo System, Computer Stereo Sections, and Colorful Style Sheet. Choose one. Here the correct answer is Cascading Stereo Sheet. So here, how marks you got, you just count how many questions you answered rightly or correctly, right? So if you answered all 5 questions correctly, so keep moving, you are in right position. But if you answered less than 3 questions correctly, please keep watching more about G-Double computer tutorials. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. So let us meet in the next lesson where we will proceed our lesson about C++ basics. We will continue with array in C++. So don't miss subscribe in order to be together in the next lesson.
Thank you.